What's up, you guys? It's your girl Marina, and I am back with another video. This one's gonna be about how I put these Bantu knots in my head. This is my first time ever doing Bantu knots, so I really want you guys to bear with me in this process. I wanted to try something different with my hair, of course with the Bantu knots themselves, but I am actually doing this to get some nice big natural barrel curls in my hair the next day. So this is just going to be for the night, nothing too crazy. I didn't put these in to rock them in life. It was more so for the results the very next day. But I thought that I would share with you guys my process. I wanted to focus on making big enough sections to where the barrel curls are going to come out the way I want them to. If you want to see how I put these Bantu knots together, keep watching this video.
Alright guys, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I use this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and conditioner, and then I went in with the treatment mask to make sure my hair was nice and conditioned. I'm now going to be going in with this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream. This is a very good product for sleeking your hair while blow drying, and although I'm not using a whole lot of heat, you can never be too careful. And now, just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair, I'm going to be using my curly hairbrush. I'm not exactly sure what this brush is called, but I will find it and link it down below for you guys. And next I'm going to be using my Tresemme Heat Protector Spray. The spray nozzle on this thing is busted, so I'm going to be struggling a little bit getting the product out. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of this heat protector. I've been using it for years, and it's very, very good to protect from heat damage while you are blowing out your curls. Now I'm going to grab my round brush, which is my brush of choice when I'm blow drying, and I'm going to blow dry on the warm setting, switching between warm and cool, and that's going to be on low. I don't want to use too much heat in this part of the process because we are going to just try to avoid heat damage as much as possible. Now guys, as I'm blow drying, you're going to notice that I'm putting a lot of emphasis on getting my roots nice and smooth. When you do this, the actual knot out is going to come out much more uniformed, and we're going to get the best definition that way. And here you can see just how smooth I was able to get my hair at the root. So I'm going to pull that to the side, and I'm going to grab off another small section. I would definitely suggest that you guys blow dry in smaller sections for the very best results out of this style. Now, my hair type in particular is a 3B, 3C curl pattern, but if you have a more tight curl pattern than mine, this is going to be especially helpful. Alright guys, I finished off the blow drying process off camera, and this is what it looks like. I actually really like it, and I was kind of sad to move on to the next step, but alas. So now I'm going to take some time to create the parting in my hair in a way in which I want these Bantu knots to sit, and in a way in which it most flatters my face type. I would suggest that you guys also do the same, but I chose to go with bigger sections for this particular style because I wanted some kind of big barreled curls at the end. The next product I'm going to be using is my Marrakesh style curl cream. It contains argan and hemp seed oil, which are two ingredients that my hair loves. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave out some of my edges. Nothing too crazy. Alright, so now that I have the section that I want to knot, I'm going to be twisting and twisting my hair, not too tightly at the root. You're gonna see why at the very end. We're gonna twist a little more towards the end of the knot, but I am going to be twisting in the direction that I want this particular knot to unravel once I take it down. I typically like my barrel curls to move in the direction away from my face, so that is the direction that you're seeing me spin in here. As I get closer to the end of this knot, I'm going to be twisting a little bit more here, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of that curl cream to smooth the ends as I pin them underneath the knot. So now that you guys have seen how I've put together my first 4 face framing Bantu knots, I'm gonna hurry up and finish off the rest of my head off camera, and I'll see you guys in a few. Alright guys, so I am back, and this is what the Bantu knots are looking like. I hope you can get a good view of these. I'm gonna do my best. Yeah, so I'm just gonna like chill out, relax for the rest of the night, maybe have a cocktail with a friend, maybe just sit on the couch and do absolutely nothing. I'm gonna get some rest, and then in the morning we're gonna come back and unravel these and see how our barrel curls came out. See you in the morning. Good morning, I am back. I slept like shit, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the final step to setting these before I unravel. I just go ahead and blow dry one last time on warm, and then do the cool setting at the very end to seal the cuticle, and then we'll go ahead and take these down. Next, I'm going to be using my Frieda Frizz Ease Extra Strength Serum. This is going to be very helpful in preventing any frizz that may come from this takedown process. Now I'm going to very carefully remove the bobby pin, and I'm going to very, very gently sort of uncork and unscrew this Bantu knot. That's the best way that I can describe the motion that I'm going to unravel this Bantu knot. So far, so good. Alright guys, I reapplied a little bit more of that Frieda serum onto my hands, and you're gonna see me now pulling apart some of these curls so that I can create some volume. time to pick this hair out for even more volume. Alright, I'm just gonna take this ugly little piece right here and I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it away. And lastly, to finish the style, I'm gonna be using my OGX Coconut Oil Weightless Hydrating Oil Mist. This is just to put a little bit of last minute sheen and shine into my hair. Alright guys, these are the final results. I am so happy with the way this style came out. These curls are uniformed, they are juicy, they are full, and I am happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, hit the comments down below, let me know if you plan on trying this style as well, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.